How to make YouTube thumbnail. Download Thumbnail Maker. Press Create. Choose size for YouTube thumbnail. Click Gallery. Choose picture you want for thumbnail. You can scale or rotate. Put text. Choose font. Choose color and space. Opacity. Shadow. Outline. Background. You can explore what design you want. Can use add image. Can put sticker. Can put effect. Can add background. If you're done, press Save Thumbnail. Go to YouTube Studio. Choose Video, click Edit Video. Click the pencil at upper left side. You can choose either the 3 suggested thumbnail or choose the thumbnail you made before. Click Save. That's it. Don't forget to like, subs, and bell notification. Thank you for watching.